Hey guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another Valentine's Day look, and I'm going to be using the MORPHE 35XO palette. I'm pretty sure this is just like a Valentine's Day palette that they came out with. Mine is from last year, but I'm pretty positive that they relaunched this bad boy but gave it some new packaging. I remember when I got this palette, I literally could not keep my hands out of it. This shade right here screams at me. I love glitter and I love pink, so bomb. And I'm pretty sure that one of my makeup looks maybe last year was like this. I don't know. I don't remember if I recorded it or not, but this palette is so good. So if you can get your hands on it, I definitely recommend. It's also pretty affordable, especially for the amount of shades that you get. I don't think I've ever hit pan on a Morphe palette, so there's that. But yeah, so you get a lot of eyeshadows for a pretty decent price, and it's just a lot of fun to play in. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something to kind of keep the eyeshadows in place where I want them. This is literally just a little Get Stoned rhinestone package. And I am going to go into the shade Touchy Feely, which is this one right here, first. So if you have this palette, go ahead and grab it and a brush, and let's get started. If not, grab a shade similar to Touchy Feely and let's get into the crease. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to take a fluffier brush. It's a little bit more angled, and I honestly have already gone into the shade that I'm going to use. So the shade I'm going to use is called Talk Feelings, and it is this one right here. It's just a little bit deeper and a little bit more pinky than Touchy Feely. So we're going to go ahead and go into that shade, taking this guy and then focusing that on the outer corner of the eye, and then kind of dragging that into the crease a little bit as well. So I'm not brushing outwards, I'm kind of brushing inwards with my brush. There we are with that one. And now for the other side. Again, dragging that into the crease a little bit. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a more pointed brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Show Some Skin, and it's this shade right here. I really, really like this shade. And we're just focusing that on the outer corners, just a little bit lower on the lid to deepen that out. And then there, and same thing on the other side. Okay. So far we have used Touchy Feely, Talk Feelings, and Show Some Skin. I am gonna go ahead and use the shade Plus One, which is this shade right here on my lower lash line. And then I thought it would be fun to kind of show you. So I know recently I've been using the Makeup by Mario Metal Manipulator quite a bit. But I thought I would show you another way that you can kind of get the same effect. And that is just by using a setting spray, a brush, and your shimmer shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the shade Kiss Me right here. And I'm going to show you what I was doing before I got the metal manipulator. And this just kind of like enhances the shimmer shade. So setting spray, you spray your brush, right? Usually one spray is good enough. Sometimes you want to dampen it a little bit more. Go ham, whatever you want to do, it's your setting spray. So then I just take the wet brush like this, go into the shade, and then apply to the lid, and you will see the difference, right? Like, this is just so much more pigmented, bright, shiny, all that jazz than before. So here, I will show you what it looks like with a dry brush really quick. Or no, here, I'll just use my finger in it. So the shade looks like that. And then let's dampen my finger, go in there, and go right next to it. So right next to it is the shade with the setting spray on it. So you can just see that it like kind of brightens it, makes it a little bit more shimmery. So yeah. So what we're gonna do now is finish this eye with that same process. So we're gonna just spray the brush and go into the shade Kiss Me. Okay. And then I thought it would be fun to show you a really quick trick that I like to do. So I'm not super creative at all when it comes to like doing designs or anything like that. So I cheat a little bit. I have these little heart stickers, right? And I'm gonna just put one right here on my cheekbone, like right by my eye, and do the other side. Right there. And what I'm going to do is I am going to go in with, where did I put it? I guess we'll just use this one. Same one, same brush that we just used, same brush that we just used. Sorry, my phone said it was dying. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Love Story, which is this one right here. And we're just gonna outline those little hearts with the eyeshadow. And you can do this pretty much with any shape. I know around Halloween, I do have a Cricut, and so I had made some little bats on my Cricut, and put the bats on my cheeks, and I thought that was really, really cute. So it's Valentine's Day, we'll throw some hearts out there. ta-da, ta-da. And when you remove it, you have these cute little hearts. So that's how I like to cheat on this one. So yeah, that pretty much does it, I think, for like eyeshadow, in my opinion. I am gonna go ahead and apply lashes, and then I will be back. Okay, so lashes are on, and that pretty much completes this look. So yeah, I just thought this was fun, pretty easy again. And this palette is like super affordable. And I really do love the Morphe brand. So if you're interested in grabbing this, I definitely would. I highly recommend it. And then I hope you picked up on some tricks in this video as well. And yeah, on your way out, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Mwah.